First, we have to mix the dissolver called hyaluronidase with some saline because the dissolver comes as a powder that we then have to turn into a liquid so it can be injected. I've taken 1 vial of dissolver, which equates to 1500 units of it, with 10 mils of saline. Then I inject an appropriate amount based on how much filler is in there. For example, in this case, we worked out it's probably about 3 to 4 ml of filler that needs dissolving based on the patient's ability to recall all the treatments that they've had done previously. Then I decided to use roughly the same amount of volume of the dissolving agent that I just mixed, about 4 to 5 ml. Immediately after, there's a tremendous amount of swelling because we've put liquid inside the skin. However, within about 30 minutes, all of the swelling went down and the filler was almost gone as well. The official line is that most of the dissolving happens in up to 48 hours, but in my experience, it can be much quicker than that too. Pay seriously close attention though to the following if you care about your appearance. Once the filler is dissolved, that doesn't mean you should then go and re-inject your lips again 2 weeks later. You still have to remember that the old filler took up space in between your tissues. Dissolving it is just step 1. Waiting for those tissues to close up again is step 2. If you re-inject filler before that's done, then you'll just end up with exactly what you started with because filler follows the path of least resistance once it's injected. This might mean waiting several weeks or even months in some severe cases. For my own patients, we speed this process up by injecting Synacos into the area after dissolving because this actually tightens the layers of skin into each other in an exceptionally anti-aging way. Once we've done a course of this, then we re-inject filler and we don't have to worry about the filler creating the exact same shape as before again. Synacos is so incredible in its tightening and anti-aging effect that it can even be used all over the face and body. And you can see exactly how that's done by clicking right here.